everyone, the time right now is 16 minutes past 10 and my aunt is actually cleaning the car right now and I'm sitting inside because I was getting some clips of her cleaning. I'm not sure what we're going to do today. We're planning on going on a hike, but I don't think that's going to happen because of the weather. Also, I just woke up, that's why my face looks so puffy right now, but we'll see what we're going to do because it was raining a lot yesterday, so the hiking trail is probably muddy, so we're not going to do that, but we'll see what else we're going to do and I'll take you guys with me. Morning everyone, I am about to shower. Today is Sunday and the time is I think 7-8, I'm not sure, and yeah, we're gonna head to church and I'll update you guys later. You guys, I can't decide on which earrings to wear. Either these like butterfly ones or these plain studs. I think I'm gonna go with the studs. This is the outfit. Cardigan is from Mr. Price. This is from H&M. And my jeans are H&M as well. So we're done and I'm gonna head out. I'm having a muffin for breakfast because I'm running late, I think. I don't know. Hi everyone, we're back home from church and from the retail park, and I have a little haul of the stuff that I got. So first of all, I got these socks. You can see them, these socks, and they just have like pink detailing and it says body down here. I think these are like active, yeah, they're for like sports and like moving around. but I just wore them to just chill because yeah. And these were on sale for 50 rand, I know. And then I got this really adorable cardigan. It's in this lovely like pink color. It's super cute and it's just like this, and it buttons down all the way, and the waist is like kind of cinched. And this was originally 450, but I got it on sale for 350. And then I went to Mr. Price and I only got two things. I got this tumbler because I don't have a water bottle, you guys. I don't have a water bottle, and I would always, like, you know, whenever I go to the store and I buy water, I would keep that water bottle for like a good week before I go and buy another water bottle. So I decided this would be a good investment, and it's pink, so it's super cute. It comes with a straw and there's like a drinking option like that, but that's a bit tedious. So I'll probably just stick to using the straw. And this was 170, and I think it's really cute, honestly. I wish that the whole thing was just like one shade of pink, this shade of pink, but it's not, and they don't have any. So I settled for this. And then the last thing I got was just some underwear. Yeah, but now that is everything that I got. I think my cousin and I are gonna get facials from my aunt. I'm not sure if she's up for it, but I think so. And if that does happen, I can't wait to show you guys. I'm so excited, actually. And remember when I was talking about the acne that I had? It's clearing up, low-key. Okay, it's not acne, it's a breakout, but it's clearing up, and that makes me so happy. So I really hope I get the facials, and I will update you guys later on. Yo, guys, I'm so tired. I'm gonna take a nap because I'm tired. I'm so tired. I can't. I'll take a nap, and then I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh. It's so pretty here. I can't. Oh my goodness. Like, you're joking. This theme. Hey guys, I am at a cafe with my aunt. She's sitting across me right now. Well, not across me, but the table across me. And she is having a meeting about her brand. And I'm just like here vibing with my little chocolate milkshake. And I'm in public. It's kind of awkward but at the same time, no one is like really noticing me like that, so I'm a bit unbothered. I want to pull up my tripod so I can like place my phone down, but I feel like that's a bit too much, so I'm not gonna do that. This is low-key fun. I'm having so much fun right now. In the morning, I'm pretty sure you guys saw me. I was helping her film for my cousin's facial, and I haven't done mine yet. I think I'm gonna do mine when I get back home, when we get back home, because there wasn't enough time. Right now the time is 2 o'clock, and well, a few minutes past 2, I think like 3 past 2. And we're gonna get back and hopefully do my facial next. I'm not sure, but I think so. I feel like people are looking at me right now, but I don't really care. This is fun. Like, it feels so much fun. And I'm like drawing attention to myself, but I like it. I'm still here for it. Oh, I'm rating the milkshake 6 out of 10. No, an 8 out of 10 actually. It's good. It's just a bit icy, I guess. I'm not like rich enough in flavor. I will catch you guys when we head back home. Hi everyone, we're at Woolies right now and I'm just gonna grab a few things. Yeah, catch you guys. Hey everyone, I just did my facial. The lighting isn't that good, so you can't really see the difference, but I can feel the difference. I'm about to head to Ray's. I'm just gonna finish packing up my stuff. I'm not ready, but it has to be done. I signed up for this, so yeah. Hello everyone, as you can see, I am back at Riz. I'm not happy, as you can see, but it is what it is. I'm not sure if the vlog is gonna end here or if I'm gonna try and like vlog other things, I don't know what, because I don't know, like there's nothing really happening and this video is supposed to go out tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, anyway, I'm hungry but I don't want to cook. I'm not cooking, so then I'm gonna go to the garage and get a pie and then come back here and watch some YouTube maybe, and then yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Hey you guys, I'm back in my room. The time is 3 minutes past 6 and I have my pie here. I did end up going to get the pie and I just bought some sweets as well. Milk bottles, I think. It's milk bottles. I think this is the end of the video. I know I said I was gonna try and extend the video, but I think this is it. Like, there's really nothing happening, you guys. at all. I actually wanted to say I want to take a break from like doing weekly vlogs, like vlogging my entire week and just like editing it and putting it out as a video. And I was thinking of doing like either a morning routine or an evening routine kind of video. I don't want to do like a sit down talking video because I know that I'm not very good at talking nonstop and just like going on and on. I'm really not good at that. So I'm thinking like a morning routine, evening routine, what I eat in a day or what I eat in a week rather. Because I won't lie, I really like my weekly vlogs, but I just want to kind of diversify my stuff so that it's not like too repetitive, especially when I'm here at Ray's. I know when I'm at home it's a bit easier to like alternate the kind of content that I produce, but when I'm at Ray's it's literally just me studying, going to school, that's it. So yeah, just let me know if you guys would like those kind of videos. I would love to make those kind of videos. But yeah, this is really the end of the video. I thought it was going to be longer, but it's not. That's not happening. So I will see you guys next week, same time. Bye.